Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel where we just talk about our plants. We try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow the way we want them to grow. And yeah, hit the subscribe button. Let's be friends. Hit the thumbs up, hit the thumbs down, whichever, your choice. And I should probably stop leaning on that table because it's shaking you up. But yeah, so it is getting very nice out here. It's still windy. It still gets cold at night, so I can't move any plants really outside. But I've started my bird seed feeders, right? Ooh. And we're just starting to get a couple interesting birds in. I'll try to take like little YouTube shorts of them when I can, just so you guys can see the birds that I see. And yeah, so I'm getting ready to kind of like start. I've already started my herb and vegetable seeds. The herbs I started a little over a week ago, and I just started the vegetables. I did that with some nieces and nephews, and it was wild. They're still little, so we're not sure if the tags are in the right pots. There could be multiple different types of seeds in pots. You know, it's just fun, so it's fine. We'll see what grows, what doesn't grow, and you know, after that, and then maybe I'll do some seeds on my own and make sure that everything's nice. But anyway, yeah, so each year I also do flowers, and usually, because my nieces and nephews are really little, I get like little boxes like this from Dollar Tree, and I just, you know, have them go out and sprinkle it wherever, and we'll see what flowers pop up when or where. So I got a bunch of those boxes. This is the Wild Flower Blend, Bird and Butterfly, Asylum, Calendula, Sorrenta, Chrysanthemum, Serapis. I'm butchering some of these names. I wish they would say like the common names on these, because I'm like, I don't know. But this is what I guess they're supposed to look like. We got a wildflower blend in a sunny area, for a sunny area. Calendula, Crystallanthum. We can actually compare some of these. Well, they have some plants that are, you know, they repeat, and then a couple different ones, so it's fine. They were $1.25. So I'll show you those real quick. Wildflower blend for hummingbirds. I don't know if we actually get any hummingbirds out here, but they sold them. It's $1.25. I bought it. We have Impatiens. So these guys, I believe, are an annual. Some of the seeds are starting to fall out the boxes. That's the only annoying thing about these boxes. The seeds are kind of in like this weird like mix. It's like not shredded cardboard, but like I don't know what else to compare it to. But yeah, so they're in that, and they kind of like leak out the end. So I'll just make a pile of all the seed stuff that drops out, and then at the end I'll just throw it outside. It's fine. We have some zinnias. This was the only plant last year that I noticed popped up and grew, and it was an orangey red bush run, and it was along my fence line. So yeah, but my boyfriend also does like mow everything that isn't like specifically marked off, so like other things could have came up, and like he just didn't know we had put seeds there. It's alright. This is a wildflower blend for the pollinators. Just looks cool. We got two more of these marigolds, which apparently help to, I think, deter mosquitoes, and the deers don't eat them, I think. Let me know if I'm wrong on that. And then we have a wildflower blend to shade area. So I got basically one of each because yeah, and yeah, because we did. So we got that, and then I always get a bunch of seeds from like Home Depot and Lowe's. And so we got the climbing trellis garden, a cut garden mix. That sounds interesting. That'd be cool. Sunny perennial flower mix. All summer sunflower cutting garden. I guess they come up at different times. So I wonder, I have to read the package if you plant them all at the same time or if you wait, succession plant them. I don't know, that'd be cool. I feel like you just plant them all together and then the ones that come up first and so forth. Monarch Sanctuary Garden. And a bird and butterfly garden. These I haven't tried before, like these packets, but I was in the store and I bought them. And then every year I just kind of pick up 1 or 2 packets of whatever. It's usually I'll stick to the perennials that they have. It's like an English daisy, columbine. I have a lot. I won't make you go through all of these, but yeah, I have a whole bunch, and I will have a 6-year-old niece, I keep hitting the table, sorry, this year, who, you know, is a little more with it and, you know, planting wise, so that'd be cool. I know she knows how to match up the seeds with the right tags, so yeah. So I think what I'm going to do is just go through these and kind of put likes with likes. So ones that I should start in March, ones that I should do direct sow. Maybe I'll do like half and half. Do a couple direct sow and a couple indoors. Just because it's something fun to do with the nieces and nephews and anybody really, I guess, if you want. So I will angle you down and we'll go through it nice and quickly. Alrighty. Alright guys, so these are the flowers that are ready to be planted in April in my area. I'm 7AB. Ignore the table. It's our arts and crafts table in our sunroom. So it's got a whole bunch of paint on it from the lovely nieces and nephews, and it looks beautiful. And no, it doesn't come off, and that's okay. I'm just showing you them all in case you want to go out and get some of your own, if you have these in your area or not. Yep. And I have a couple of flowers that are good to go in March and a couple that are good to go in May. So I'll set those up and show you too. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so these are the ones that are good to go in March. So I'm going to have to schedule a little niece-nephew hangout session where they come over and we try to plant these and hopefully not make too much of a mess. But alright, I'll show you. These guys are, I only had 2 flowers that said to be started in May, and those are the marigold and the mammoth sunflower. So yeah, these are the seeds I'm going to be trying out this year. We'll see how they go. We got a whole bunch there, a bunch more in here, and it'll be fun. Alrighty, until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.